Good morning guys. Luto tayo ng salmon. Marinate natin, may sugar, may bitsin, salt, garlic pepper, and fresh vegetable pang salad. Ito 10,000 Island. Pwede na. Yada ng ating salmon. Yung salmon natin guys. Tapos na. That's it. Meron tayong Italian sa sauce tsaka vegetable salad. Simple tanghalian. Thanks for watching.